Hello, lovelies. Welcome back. Today's recipe is mini donuts. So sit down, relax, and follow me step by step and see how I achieve this mini donut recipe. I have 2 cups of sea flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, pinch salt, 3 teaspoons sugar. So I will mix together for 1 minute properly. I will add in 1 egg, melted butter, warm water, warm milk, and I will mix together properly. I will mix together properly until it is very creamy. So once I am done with this part, I'll just cover and put inside my microwave. I like to double in size. So here it has doubled in size. I give it a quick stir, so I preheated my machine. So here it is, I'll just be adding it. Check my channel out and see the review of this machine. So I will toast it for 0 to 5 minutes. So now I'll cover it. Here it is toasted. I will take it out of it. All my returning subscribers, may the good Lord bless you all. Keep returning, keep commenting, keep liking, keep sharing. I really appreciate you all for doing that. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to also share this video for me, and feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So I did, and I repeated the process, guys. This mini donut came out soft, sweet, tasty, and nice. Look at that. Look at what I got from just 2 cups of flour. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.